Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello everyone, how are you today? Now, we will discuss about things or describing things. Actually, how to describe a things with English language, not much different with Indonesian language. Previously, let me introduce myself. My name is Irma with NPM 212030308 Science Education Department Class B. Okay, let's we discuss about asking and describing things. Before we discuss describing things, try to remember what kind we need when we'll describe things with Indonesian language. Just say, note there's a big book in front of you. From that information, you can arrange a simple phrase. Sebuah buku besar. No, their buku is a noun, while besar is adjective. Same like last explained, describing things just also use same principle, that is arranged from a noun and adjective. It is just that the placement is different because the grammar of Indonesian and English language is different. So, back to the last explain, sebuah buku besar then is describing things. Context will be a big book. To answer a description, there must be a question that is asked in English language. To ask that a sentence that is spoken must have the correct writing structure or correct pronunciation. For explain, what does it look like or what is look like? For the next discussion is basic formula to describe things in English language. Actually, very simple, you just need to remember this formula to make a full sentence. That is, it is big, she is beautiful, the ball is around. Other than the above formula, there are rules that you must remember at describing things. These rules relate with adjective. In English language, adjectives have variant kinds, from describe color, ingredients, shapes, and name. That variant kind of adjective was grouped in many categories. When in a sentence there are several adjectives, there is the rules be valid. The rules is actually order. The special terms in English language is order of adjective. So, there was an adjective that lying early than other categories. To either, there is a sequence adjective that must pay attention when make describe things. More easily, we usually use the abbreviation in the form of OSASCOM. Okay, O for opinion. Opinion is idea about a things that was described. Sometimes these categories was shared to two general and specific opinion. As for size, says so about ukuran. Explain adjective was show size is big, large, small, teeny, and hook. A for age. Describe about umur some object, explain new or old. As for shapes, shapes meaning bentuk, that explain about bentuk some object, like round, oval, square, and cone. C for color. Color on object is one thing that must be considered in describing an object, like black, white, gray, red, and blue. O and M for origin and material. These categories explain asal or can to be ingredients that used to make things. Explain of material is paper, silk, and wood. And last, purpose. Purpose is word to explain function, like a paragraph kitchen table. For the purpose is kitchen because can explain in the object a table that was used at kitchen. so that it can be concluded that an exponent of a sentence that has complete with the rules is "It is beautiful Persia cat." After that followed by beautiful what was opinion, Persia so origin. Maybe that's all I can say, more or less sorry. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.